Good morning to all of you. This is the video of class 8, chapter 2, exponents, part 3. In previous lecture, we discussed about standard form of a number. Standard form of a given number. How can we write a standard form of a given number? So let's take example 272. The standard form of a number is m into 10 to the power n. The value of m is greater than or equal to m 1 and is less than 10, and n is either positive or negative. So 272. How can we write the standard form of this given number? First of all, 2.72 into or multiply 10 to the power. How many decimal place? This is 1. This is 10 place and this is 100 place. It means 2 place. 2 place is it means 10 to the power 2. Now take another example. 538,572 is equal to, what is the standard form of this given number? So first of all we take 5.38572 into, count the decimal place. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. It means 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6. Now take another example. 2372915675. What is the standard form of this given number? So first of all 2.37915675 into 10 to the power. Count the place. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8. So this is the formation of the standard form. How can we write the standard form of a given number? So today we saw exercise 2b. Exercise 2b. The question is, write each of following numbers in standard form. First number 57.36. Second 35. How many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third 273, 1, 2, 3. So we write the standard form of this given number. So what is the procedure? First of all, we take 5.736 into 5. This point is placed here. 5.736 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3. So the value of n is equal to 3. Now this is 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35 lakhs. It means 3.500000. 3.500000. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 10 to the power. Count the place. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 to the power 6. Similarly, 2.7300 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. So this is the procedure that we can write given number into its standard forms. Now take another question. Question number part number 6. 3, 4, 5 into 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. So we can write 3.45 into 3.45 into 10 to the power 2, 1 2, and this also into 10 to the power 5. First of all, 3 4 5 345, so it can be written as 3.45 and places 1 2, so into 10 to the power 2, and we use the formula a to the power m into a to the power n. It means 3.45 into 10 to the power 2 plus 5, and is also equal to 3.45 into 10 to the power 7. So this is the complete explanation of question number first of exercise 2b. So further proceed, please pause the video and note it down. Now we proceed question number 2. Question number 2 is 3.74 into 10 to the power 5. What is question say? Question says write each of following numbers in usual forms. Write this number in its usual form. It means the standard form is not required. So first of all, 3.74 into 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 1, it means 10. 10 to the power 2 means 10 into 10. It means 1 or 1 to 20. 10 to the power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10. It means 1 on 1 2 3. This is 1000. So we can write 10 to the power 5 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5, and with the help of this condition, this is two decimal places. It means 20 is cancelled out. 20 is cancelled out, and so we can write this number in form 37413. Why this 20 is cancelled out? Because there are two decimal places. Now second question, this is first, this is second. 6.912 into 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8. So we can write 6.912 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many zero are removed? There are three decimal places. It means 3 zero is removed. So we can write 6 9 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5, and this point is also removed. Similarly, you can select this point, and here is not point. So what is the procedure of this question? So first of all, 3.74 into 10 to the power 5. First of all, we express 10 to the power 5 in this given form. How can we write? So first of all, 10 to the power 1, it means 10 to the power 2, it means 10 into 10, that means 1, and 1 to 20. 10 to the power 3, it means 10 into 10 into 10, it means on 1 2 3 zeros. Similarly, 10 to the power 5, it means 1 2 3 4 5, and there are two decimal places, this and this, so there are 2 zeros removed. It means and this point is also removed, so we can write this number into 374 and this 0 on set. And similarly, 6.912 into 10 to the power 8, it means this can be written in form of this, and there are three decimal places, so there are 3 zeros are removed and other zeros remaining. So this is the procedure that when we write a standard form a number in its usual forms. Now we proceed to question number 3. Question number 3. The height of Mount Everest is 8,844 meter. Write it standard form. What is the height of Mount Everest? It is 8,848 meter. Write it into standard form. So first of all, we write 8.848 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3. So we can write the value of n is equal to 3. So this is the explanation of question number 3, part number first. Now we go to question number 5. Question number 5. What is the question number 5? Question number 5 is write each of following numbers in its standard form. 0.0006, 0.0006. Write this number into standard form. It means it can be written in form of m into 10 to the power n. So first of all, where the decimal point goes to the direction of this, it means when the decimal points move in forward direction, it means when they retake the 10 to the power negative, 10 to the power negative, it means this point is comes up at this place. So first of all, we write 6.0 into 10 to the power, 10 to the power, this is first, second, third, fourth. It means minus 4. 6.0 into 10 to the power minus 4. And the value of n is either positive or negative, and the value of m is always greater than 1 or equal to 1 and less than 10. So the value of this is less than 10 and this value of n is minus sign, it means negative. First of all, the value of m is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10, and the value of n is whenever positive and whenever negative. So 6.0 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now take another question. This is question number 5, part number 1. Question number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 3. Write this number into standard form. It means m into 10 to the power n. How can we write? First of all, it can be written in form of when point moves in forward direction. It means this point is coming. This is point here. It means 8.3 because 8.3 is less than 10 and greater than 1. Condition is fulfilled. 8.3, the value of m 8.3 is greater than 1 and less than 10. And into 10 to the power. What is the value of n? What is the value of n? So count the place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This means the value of n is equal to minus 7. So this is the complete explanation of how to the number change into standard form and how to standard form number is changed in usual form. So I hope exercise 2B is completed. If you doubt in any question of exercise 2B, you can comment in comment box. So in next chapter 3, squares and square root. So let's start chapter 3, squares and square roots. Squares and square root. Chapter 3, squares and squares root. Squares roots. This is the part first of this chapter. part first of this chapter. What is the square? Square. What is square? When a number multiply with itself, then we get a square. When a number, suppose let's a number 2, and when we multiply 2 with itself, it means when 2 multiply by 2, it can be written as 2 to the power 2. And the value of 2 to the power 4 is 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. When a number, its general form, let's take x is a number, and when x multiply with itself, it means x into x, then x square. So this is the denotation of square. It can be written as it can be read as x square, and this is the denotation form, x square. Let's take a number 5 multiplied with 5, it means this is the 5 square of 5 square. Yes. So what is square? Square is of a number is the product of number with number itself. For a given number x, the square of x is x into x and denoted by x square. Let's take example 2 into 2, it means 2 to the power 4 is equal to 4. So we can say the square of 2 is 4. Square of 2 is 4. Similarly, we can write 3 to the power 2. It means square of 3 is equal to 9. Similarly, we can say square of 4 is equal to 16. Square of 5 is equal to 25. Square of 6 is equal to 36. Square of 7 is equal to 49. 49. So this is the form of square. What is the square of 1? 1 square is equal to 1. 1 square is equal to 1. This is also square. Square of 1 is equal to 1. Square of 2 is equal to 4. Square of 3 is equal to 9. Square of 4 is equal to 16. Square of 5 is equal to 25. Square of 6 is equal to 36. Square of 7 is equal to 49. Similarly, square of 8 is equal to 64. Square of 9 is equal to 81. And square of 10 is equal to 100. So this is the form of square. Now we proceed. Perfect square. What is perfect square? Perfect square is a natural number is called a perfect square or square number if it the square of some natural number. It means when this is also a natural number 1, and if square of 1 is also we get 1. It means this is also a natural number and this is a natural number. So when the square of a natural number we get square natural number, it means this is a perfect square. The condition of perfect square is also a pair of equal number. It means if you can 4 is the square of 2, it means 4 can be written as 2 into 2. It means this is the pair of number 2. Similarly, 9 means this is the 3 to the power 2. It means 9 is also can be written as 3 into 3. So a perfect square number is always expressible as product of pairs of equal factors. This is the pair of equal factors. It means this is 3 and this is also 3. So it means 3 and 3 is the factor of 9. Similarly, 6 is equal to 2 into 3. It means 2 and 3 are factors of 6. 2 and 3 are factor of 6. So the perfect square number is as expressible as equal factors number. You can see easily 3 is also factor of 9 and this 3 is also factor of 9. 6 is not the square of any number because 2 and 3 is not the equal perfect 2 and 3 is not equal factor. 2 and 3 is not equal factor. Here 9 is a perfect square because 3 and 3 is equal factor. So if you check a number is a perfect square, you can expressible this given number into its factor form. Check the number 196 is a perfect square. Is 196 is a perfect square? How can we check this number is a perfect square? So first of all, B factor 196, 2, 8, 9, 8, 2, 4, 9, 7, and this 7, this is 1. So 196 can be written in form of 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. It means that you can see that 196 is expressible as equal numbers of factors. This is a pair of 2 and this is a pair of 7 and the product of pairs of equal factors. Product of pair of equal factors. So 196 is also a perfect square because 196 is expressible as the product of pair of equal numbers. You can see this is also pair of 2 and this is pair of 7. So 196 is a perfect square. So you can check any number when the given number is converted into pair of equal factors. So exercise 3a, using the prime factorization method. This is prime factorization method. This is in class 7. Prime factorization method. Find which of following numbers are perfect square. You can only check the given number is perfect square or not. So you use this concept and check the given number is a perfect square or not. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 1 and question number 2 is in question number 1, using the prime factorization method, find which of following numbers are perfect square. So you can question number 1, 4, 4, 1. So you use prime factorization method, and if 441 is expressible as the product of pairs of equal numbers, then 441 is a perfect square or not. So this is the complete explanation of square. Exercise 3a, you can solve question number 1 and question number 2. In next video, we will solve question number 3 to question number 6. Today, you solve question number 1 and question number 2 only. In next video, we discuss about question number 3 to question number. So further proceed, please pause the video and note it down. Thank you.